So today we are going to be working on our trailer floor. So we've brought the trailer inside and we've picked up some of the Rust-Oleum kits. And what we're actually going to do, we've watched a lot of other trailer videos and seen people kind of running low on it, and what our store had available were the single kits. So what we're going to use is the gray one as like our primer, put it on kind of thin and just across the entire surface. Then we'll go back with the black, which is what we really wanted to end up with. We also went ahead and got a clear coat for the very end. So we're gonna go ahead and test out this method. Alexa's already gone ahead and taped up all of our edges. Definitely know that the wood soaks it up a lot more than concrete, so we do expect it to be close with the gray, but then that'll give the ability for the black to spread out nice and evenly across everything, and then we'll finish it off with the clear. So let's get started. All right, so after you mix up your packets a little bit, you're gonna roll side A into B, and then now that they're together, you can let that unroll and you'll just mix it back and forth. You can lift up the bag. You just wanna get a nice good blend, and then you have about an hour to use this. And we're actually, when we trim it in and everything, we're just gonna be cutting the corner of the edge of the bag and pouring it so that it can go further. Instead of using a tray or anything like that, they say you can just pour it straight from the bag. So we'll just clip the edge of that. I've got the foam roller that they include, and we got her a smaller one to trim in all of the edges and kind of get stuff like that. And we will make this go as far as possible and go from there. So we poured it so it'd be nice and thick to get a good base on the edge. She's just gonna roll that in, and then we're going ahead and back rolling all of that just to get a good coat so that when we do put the black down, it won't be soaking into the wood. Looking good. Ahead and finish the first coat, and we had plenty to cover the ramp door as well as the flip out section. But yeah, so we've got our first coat in there. We had some extra in the bag, and we did a second coat just on the entrance area because that is high traffic. Along with the ramp, got a second coat. This is all just a first coat for the rest of it, and that is because we're going to be doing the black right on top of this once this dries up, and then we'll go ahead and finish it off with the clear. All right, so Alexa is mixing up the second bag, and that will be the black. And we are actually on this one gonna start from the outside and move our way in. That way we can just trim all of this. This already has a pretty good coat on it, so the second coat will go on really nice on this. And then that way when we work our way to the inside, anything extra will be able to go in there, because we did have a little bit extra in the bag yesterday, but because that was all wet, we couldn't really get in there to do that. So we're gonna start from the outside now that we know we'll have enough. This will spread a lot quicker, so because it's no longer porous. So we'll do that, and then we've got a clear coat, which is about enough for 2.5 cars, and I'm assuming they're saying that because once it's sealed, it spreads a lot easier. So we'll do the black, we'll put some of the flake on there, and then tomorrow we will do the clear, and then that just needs a few days to harden completely, and we'll be able to move on to the walls and everything else, but it's gonna look pretty good and hopefully be super durable. And we've started to remove the tape from the edges. For the inside walls, we are actually going to do a stain. If we end up not liking that, we can always paint it, but I think it'll look good. All right, so it's been a couple days and the floor is dry, and we also went ahead and stained all of the wood on the walls. And man, everything looks really good. Super happy with how the floor came out. Our next project for this is going to be adding some E-track on the walls, as well as eventually I think I'd like to get some type of metal trim to go around the loading area so that these edges never kind of get beat up. But yeah, super happy with how it came out. Looks really good, easy to clean out. Stain is nice. I didn't want it to be too dark, but I also wanted something a little bit different than just going and painting it. So yeah, would definitely recommend painting the floors in your trailer. Was really happy with this product. Probably didn't need to use the gray first, but what I would recommend is instead of getting the 2.5 car kit, get 2 of the single kits, because what I did like was being able to do the 2 coats. So if you have areas where maybe it's not adhering correctly or anything like that, you could actually do your first bag, wait for that to dry, and then do your second coat where you can actually go heavier on some of those spots. But if you use a 2.5 car kit all at once, you're kind of spreading it out and hoping when it's dry that everything is the way you want it. But overall, I'm really happy with how this came out. We'll probably end up doing some type of black trim on the bottom because I don't like the white bead that's there. And with the stain and the epoxy, those things aren't really going to adhere to that. So we could do something to kind of trim that out. But I think the best thing I can recommend if you're looking to do this is make sure you take the time to prep all of your surfaces. This trailer floor was brand new, so we didn't really have to do much, but you could see up in the front, like where the dirt bike tires had been, that area didn't adhere as well the first coat. So we made sure that you sand any area that has kind of any contaminants on it. And again, just tape everything off. I think the hardest thing to tape were these D-rings. Some epoxy did get through those, so we'll try to clean those off. But yeah, the best step would probably be to take them all the way out if you can before you do that, and you won't have to worry about it. But definitely recommend it. Excited to see how it holds up. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.